Hey, Mom, I gotta show you this picture I took earlier. Alright, let me see. Mom, you're holding the phone upside down. Nah. Oh, my bad. Oh, this is nice. No, Mom, stop swiping.
Oh, poor baby. Want me to pick up where he left off?
Oh, Jamal, what the hell is this? Mom, I told you not to swipe. Is this what you be doing when I'm not around? Nah, she tripping. Mom, I can explain. I told you to look at one picture. Why did you keep swiping? You know, Jamal, I would whoop your ass right now, but I'm just really disappointed. I didn't raise you like this. Nah. Mom, I'm sorry. I told you not to look. You know what? You're not getting this phone back. I'ma get you an Android. Oh. Mom, it ain't even that serious. I told you not to. Get out my house! Nah, I should've deleted that video. Why she had to be so nosy? That's crazy.
On the burning pile, all lit up and I start to smile. If I catch fire, then I'll change my aim. Throw my troubles at the world again. All my troubles on a burning pile, all lit up and I start to smile. If I catch fire, then I'll take my... Folding my clothes and I feel useless. Don't think I know how to do this. Once I was told, but like any misfit, I spit on some good advice. Out in the cold and trying to make fire, two sticks and stone, still got no fire. Once I was shown, but I was inside then and spit on that good advice. Wisdom, wisdom.
Good night to everyone except Logan. What? Good night to everyone except those who spell their name Logan. No! Good night to everyone except anyone whose name has the 5 letters Logan. Good night to everyone except those who would kiss the third person that appears after tapping share, then more. Good night to everyone except those whose name rhymes with slogan, brogan, or grogan.